How do we love when it's not easy to love?
Yeah.
How would you describe that feeling to you? Because I know all of us go through hurts and all of us have felt what it feels like to be betrayed by people. And the first thing we do is like, well, they're never welcome in my life again. I never want to speak to them. I never want to see them. They must never cross my path. And I can imagine it's fairly so. I can imagine, there are certain boundaries that I know you and I have put in place with certain things, and I don't want to say people because that's not what Christ has called us for, to put boundaries in place. But what I want to say is like just to put certain things in place where, you know what, I will love you and I will forgive you. That is what I'm commanded to do. But I think there's a line that you just draw and say, you know what, but for this, and this reason, I cannot put myself in a place to engage in a way that will cause you to be in my inner close circle
Also steal your peace in a
or
sense.
steal my peace.